Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these eyelash extension tweezer set. Alright, so right here we got our tweezer set. This one here is a 5-piece eyelash extension. They are offered in 2 different colors. You've got this pink one. You also have a silver. So if you use extension eyelashes, these are a great tool to help put on your extension eyelashes. So these tweezers come in a straight head, curve heads. These are sweet and sincere. Their eyelash curve tweezers can be applied to a select individual lashes. You can do a whole set of lashes. They are natural lashes, and the straight lashes, this is a good use for eyelash extension tweezers. These are made of full stainless steel. They are strong and sturdy. They are good quality. They're reliable. You can see, like right here, these ones here are really nice, so they make it super easy to apply your lashes. They also do have a little cover, so they will stay protected. These are measured about 7 by 2.4 by 0.6 inches. They are space saving, lightweight. I like the fact that they do come in a little case, so you can take them anywhere you'd want. The case is really light, slim, and lightweight. They have it in 2 different colors. You've got them in silver, and you also have them in this pink. You can see that they are very good quality. You have different sizes for different needs of eyelash extensions. You can do single eyelashes, or you can do the whole set. This one's a very nice set. If you're looking for an eyelash extension tweezer set, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super nice.